Have a look at how dirty this solar panel is. That really would affect the production. There's a lot of stuff growing on it. But I've recently discovered this rotating electric brush with extendable handle. Comes in 2 speed from Costco, and this is amazing. You just hold it against the solar panel, and it just goes through and clean it. So as you can see, I've cleaned all this side and it looks perfect now. It's a slow process, but it's worthwhile doing it because it increases your solar production. So this is the scrubber that I'm talking about. It's USB-C, waterproof, rechargeable spin scrubber from Costco. So it comes with obviously that brush, but it also comes with this sort of thing as well, the tipped, smaller tip, and a Velcro scrub pad, a buffer pad, and another more finer foamy type buffers.